guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can like and comment on this video, and we have our Telegram group in the description of the video. You can also join. So guys, today I bring out a wonderful strategy for you guys that you guys can use to catch up a very big spikes on boom 1000, boom 500 and boom 300. So this strategy only works on boom index, only boom 1500 and 300 index. So guys, I'm going to explain to you guys now, but I need to first show you the settings of this strategy because it's a wonderful strategy. It is not a strategy that used to fail. It's always accurate if you can follow the rules. Always remember, there's no 100% accurate strategy, but I want you guys to know that if you try this on your demo account and you practice it very well, you can easily trade with this and make a lot of profits with this. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy. Guys, as you can see now, so I'm going to be fast with it because I don't want this video to be too long. So we have the main chart, which is the moving average, the period of 5. Just screenshot it the way I'm opening. Screenshot it, then you press on done. That's the first moving average. The second moving average is this. Just screenshot it and press on done. So we have to the indicator window 1, the average directional movement index. We have the period of 10. We see, just screenshot it and set it up on your phone. Let me show you the second moving average, the second average directional. So we have 11 here, and we have our color that is only changing. We have the same, we have period of 12 here, and we have our D plus DI to be in black color here. So we have the fourth average directional movement, which is in 13 period, and we have our red as color here. So the fourth one now is what I'm showing you guys now. We have the period of 14, and we have our plus di to be in green color. So you press on done. Then we have our relative strength index. We have the period of 14, we have apply to close, we have our style to be in black color, and we have our level in different level. We have 30, 90, 20, 10 and 80. You just screenshot it and set it up on your phone. You press on done. So we have the another average directional movement index after the relative strength index. So we have the period of 16. So change the color of your plus di to be in green color, then you press on done. Then we have another one. We have up to 4 years. We have the second one after the relative strength index, which is the period of 17. The color can also change. Then you press on done. So we have the third one, which is 18. In period, we have the plus D to also be in yellow color. So you can also change it depend on your best color. So we have the last one now here, which is the period of 19. We have the plus di to be in red color. So guys, if you set this up now, so you have the same chart the way I have it here on my screen. So guys, let me explain how you can use this strategy to catch up a spike on boom 1000, boom 500 and boom 300. You see, we have our moving average, these two moving average on our main chart. It always shows us the movement of the market. You see, anytime we are having our blue that is crossing our red line, it means that the market is on a downtrend. And anytime we are having our blue that is crossing the red, is giving us a uptrend market. Don't forget, I'm using 5-minute time frames to trade this. Guys, you can use any time frames to do this, and our zoom level is just the third zoom level. So guys, what we are going to be focusing more on now is our window 1, and for you to trade this strategy successfully, you need to follow the guides and the rules that I want to explain in this video. So number one thing that you need to do is to understand our meaning of ADX, which is the average directional movement index, which is the one I circle here. So we have our relative strength index to be black color, which is here. So anytime we are having our ADS respecting this level of what, of 10 level, and we are having our RSI respecting this level of 20 level, then remember that if we are going to catch up a what, a very long spike. So you are going to be, your entry is going to be around here, and if you enter here, you are going to catch up a what, a spike up to this level. And if you check this particular level very well, you can set up your what, your stop loss here, and you can what, you can take your profit 1, profit 2, until you have your what, your crossing line that is crossing each other, then you can exit the market finally. So guys, let me show you some sample of it and how it works. See, it works better because when in time this our relative strength index move between the 30 to 20 level, and our ADS move on our 10 level, then guys, it is the best time for you to enter the market. You can see now exactly same thing happen here. You can see the RSI is fluctuating between the level of 80 and 30, but you need to see that it went down here. It does not touch the 30 level, but it give us a what, it give us a spike here. You don't need to catch that, but you just wait for the what, for the strategy to respect the law. So anytime we are having our what, our relative strength index respect our 20 level, and we are having our ADS respecting our 10 level, guys, this is exactly the time for you to enter the market, because you are going to be catching up a lot of spike. So just imagine how much spike you can catch with these 5-minute time frames. See guys, so that's it, exactly, that's how it works. So anytime this RSI is moving below the 30 level here, as I always say, below the 30 level here, between 30 to 20 level, between 20 to 30 level, you see, it's always be a strong way, it's always be a strong time for you to enter the market. You just wait for it to what, to confirm this entry. So that's exactly how it always works. And if you can take up to like 5 to 10 of this in a day, you have make a lot of profits today. So guys, you see same thing happen here. It respect that particular 2 level, and what do you see? It once it's going to touch it, you have already see it in the market that the market is going towards that direction. So you can easily enter your market here. You see now, it keep on what, it keep on star rocket up here to you what, till you have enough capital, enough profit for the day. So guys, this happen on boom 1000. So let me show you guys on what exactly how it look like on boom 500. You see guys, exactly the same thing I told you guys that is going to happen is exactly what is happening in the market right now. You see now, we are having that level respecting the what, respecting the 10 level, and we have our RSI that is crossing below the what, below the 20 level. You see now, it give it more stronger, it give it more stronger for you to see. Even when it's moved below the 20 level, you see this particular level now, if you enter from this particular level now, you're going to catch up with what, a lot of spike, a lot of what, a spike. Even the market still continue was taking up a what, a uptrend. You see, that's exactly how it keep on what happen in the market. You see same thing also happen here. No matter how the market is, it will going to respect that level, it's going to respect that level. So guys, if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, because we always drop daily analysis on boom and crash, and how this can help you to make a profitable result in boom and crash daily, every time. So kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also you can like and comment on this video. Don't forget, I'm using the third zoom level, and also you can set up this strategy with the settings I set up on this video. Thanks.